My dad's an engineer, and I guess I follow in his footsteps. It's rewarding looking at something and thinking, yeah, I can fix that. You get job satisfaction, you know. My name is Tom. I'm an apprentice technician for Mercedes-Benz, and I'm the Mercedes-Benz Apprentice of the Year. During my apprenticeship, I spent 3 weeks a month working in the dealership and 1 week down in Milton Keynes, training. In the training facility, there are classrooms upstairs where we do theory and workshops downstairs where we do practical assessments. It gets harder as you go on. In the first year, we're changing brake pads and that sort of stuff, and in the second year, we move on to more diagnostics. You get loads of support in my dealership. When you first start, you're with your mentor in the dealership constantly. Over time, you get more confident and get to work by yourself, and they're just there as a backup. But everyone helps everyone. If someone's stuck, you give them a hand. In June, I won the Mercedes-Benz Apprentice of the Year award. Because of the work I was doing, my assessor put me forward. I got to spend the week with Mercedes-Benz Formula 1 team, which I really enjoyed. I think that the award will help me to go on and do even better things for the rest of my career. It feels good to have your hard work recognised. I never wanted to work on passenger cars. I'm just not interested in that kind of thing. I like to feel like what I'm doing is important, and there's big emphasis on supporting businesses, keeping their vans on the road. I'm now a qualified systems technician, and I'll be working towards my diagnostic level. If you're thinking about an apprenticeship, choose Mercedes-Benz because they've helped me, I've had a great time, and they can help others.
Mercedes-Benz vans, born to run.